A major shakeup in the world of artificial intelligence is unfolding, as several countries have moved to ban DeepSeek AI, a rapidly emerging Chinese chatbot, citing serious security concerns. The ban comes just weeks after DeepSeek R1, the latest version of the AI model, skyrocketed to the top of Apple's App Store, posing a direct challenge to Western AI leaders like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. Stay with us as we break down the real story behind DeepSeek's global shutdown and what it means for the future of AI. The rise of DeepSeek AI. Founded in 2023 by entrepreneur Liang Feng, DeepSeek quickly became a prominent AI startup in China. The company boasted a model that was cheaper to train than its Western competitors, requiring just $6 million worth of computing power from NVIDIA's H800 chips, compared to OpenAI's reported $100 million investment into training GPT-4. This efficiency allowed DeepSeek to make rapid progress, releasing its first major chatbot, DeepSeek R1, on January 20th, 2025. The chatbot, designed to function similarly to ChatGPT, quickly gained traction among users, climbing to the top of Apple's App Store in China and beyond. However, as DeepSeek's influence grew, so did scrutiny over its data policies and the potential risks it posed to users outside of China. Why are governments banning DeepSeek? First, national security concerns. Western governments are particularly wary of AI platforms developed in China due to the country's national intelligence law, which requires Chinese companies to provide data to the government upon request. This raises fears that DeepSeek could be used as a tool for surveillance, data collection, and even influence campaigns targeting foreign nations. The concerns are not entirely unfounded. A cybersecurity report from Faroot Security, a Canadian firm, suggested that DeepSeek might have hidden code capable of transmitting user data directly to China Mobile's online registry, which is owned by the Chinese government. Although this claim has not been independently verified, it has been enough to trigger bans and heightened restrictions. 2. Privacy issues and data collection. DeepSeek's privacy policy outlines that it collects a significant amount of user data, including personal details such as email, phone number and date of birth, chat history, including text and audio input, and technical details like IP address, keystroke patterns, and device operating system. While OpenAI's ChatGPT also collects user data, Western regulators argue that such companies operate under stricter data protection laws, such as the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation. In contrast, DeepSeek's policies have raised red flags due to a lack of clarity on how long data is stored, who has access to it, and whether users have control over their information. 3. Growing cybersecurity threats. The potential for AI chatbots to be exploited for cyber attacks or misinformation campaigns is another major concern. Large language models can be manipulated to generate misleading content, spread propaganda, or facilitate cyber threats. Given that DeepSeek is based in China, Western intelligence agencies worry that it could be used to infiltrate networks, influence political discourse, or conduct large-scale espionage operations. Countries that have banned DeepSeek. United States. The United States has taken one of the most aggressive stances against DeepSeek. On January 31st, NASA officially blocked DeepSeek from its systems, citing security risks. Shortly after, the US Navy issued an internal warning against using the chatbot, while lawmakers began drafting a bill to prohibit its use on all government-owned devices. Given the broader concerns about Chinese technology, it is likely that DeepSeek could soon face an outright ban across the US, similar to the restrictions placed on TikTok in certain states. South Korea. The South Korean government has also moved swiftly against DeepSeek. The country's Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy temporarily restricted its employees from using the AI service, with officials citing a need for greater scrutiny over how user data is handled. Additionally, Korea Hydro and Nuclear Power, a state-run energy company, has completely blocked DeepSeek on all work devices. Australia announced a nationwide ban on DeepSeek across all government agencies on February 13th. The Department of Home Affairs mandated that every government entity must prevent the use or installation of DeepSeek products, applications, and web services. Officials stated that the ban was necessary to protect Australia's national security and national interests. Italy's Data Protection Authority became one of the first European regulators to act against DeepSeek. On January 30th, the agency ordered the Chinese company to stop processing the data of Italian users, citing concerns about privacy violations. The move was reminiscent of Italy's temporary ban on ChatGPT in 2023, although OpenAI was eventually allowed to resume operations after making changes to its data policies. Taiwan, a nation with particularly strained relations with China, followed suit by banning DeepSeek across all government departments. Officials cited concerns over potential national security threats, echoing similar concerns raised by the US and its allies. Will more countries join the ban? With growing global scrutiny on Chinese technology firms, DeepSeek's future outside China appears uncertain. The European Union is currently reviewing potential data security risks associated with the AI model, and countries like Canada and the UK may soon take similar action. China itself has long restricted Western tech companies from operating within its borders, blocking platforms such as Google, Facebook, and ChatGPT. This latest move from Western governments is being viewed by some as retaliation, while others see it as a necessary step to ensure cybersecurity and data protection. Is the concern over AI security justified? The bans on DeepSeek highlight the broader debate surrounding AI security. While Western AI firms also collect user data and have faced their own regulatory challenges, they operate under transparent data protection frameworks. In contrast, the opaque nature of DeepSeek's data practices, combined with its ties to Chinese regulations, makes it a significant concern for many governments. AI chatbots have already demonstrated their ability to influence users, create convincing misinformation, and manipulate public opinion. The potential for a Chinese-owned chatbot to be used as a tool for information warfare has made many governments unwilling to take the risk. The mass ban of DeepSeek AI is one of the most significant crackdowns on Chinese AI technology in recent history. While DeepSeek had the potential to become a major competitor to Western AI giants, its rapid rise has been met with an equally swift global backlash. Governments worldwide are tightening their grip on AI regulations, and the fate of DeepSeek outside China remains uncertain. As AI continues to evolve, these bans set a precedent for how governments may handle future AI developments, especially when they involve geopolitical rivalries. Whether DeepSeek will adapt to these challenges or fade from the international stage remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the AI arms race is far from over. Will DeepSeek make a comeback, or is this the end of its global reach? What do you think? Justified security measures or strategic competition? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into tech and AI, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.